Good afternoon, this is Kyle and Wade with Western Material Handling. Today we're here to test drive stock number D21097. This is a 2000 Toyota 7FGU30. It's a 6,000 pound pneumatic tire forklift. It's equipped with a 3-stage mast. There's approximately 172 inches of max lift height. It does have side trim carriage, 42-inch pallet forks. This is class 3 carriage. More durable. It's equipped with a clean burning LP gas engine, Toyota 4Y. Automatic transmission has solid pneumatic tires that are non-marking. This unit has been recently PM'd with recent repairs and a brand new paint job ready for work. You can check out this forklift online at betterforklift.com or stop by either store in Denver or Fort Collins. Thank you very much for watching.